It's hard to believe how such a tiny organism can cause unusual outbreak in human population, killing millions just like a wildfire. Welcome back to Lifeology India. Today in this video, I will tell you about top 10 epidemics, pandemics or both that affected human species living to utmost level. So let's get started with the video. Number 10 goes to Black Death. Black Death was the deadliest pandemic recorded in human history as suggested an Ebola-like virus, originated around the Black Sea region and spread rapidly much of Europe and Asian part of country. The treatment included burning aromatic herbs and bathing in rose water or vinegar. Many people migrated to different cities yet cannot escape the disease. It affected cows, sheep, goat, pigs and chicken as well as people. The Black Death, that is the plague, never ended. Rather, social distancing relied to slow the spread of disease. Antibiotics are available to treat the Black Death, yet the practice for social distancing is followed till today. Number 9 goes to third cholera pandemic. The third cholera pandemic was third major outbreak of cholera originated in India in 19th century that reached beyond its border, affected Russia, London and Great Britain. It was considered as highest fatality in 19th century epidemics. That very same year, British physician identified contaminated water as the means of transmission of disease and later the cases were declined in number. Number 8 goes to 1918 flu virus, an unusual deadly influenza pandemic caused by the H1N1 influenza A virus. It majorly affected US, France, Germany and UK. Most influenza outbreaks mainly target very young or very old with a higher survival rate for those in between. But the Spanish flu pandemic, that is 1918 flu virus, has higher mortality rate in young adults. Number 7 goes to yellow fever. In 1793, yellow fever epidemic affected plenty of people, making the epidemic one of the most severe in United States history. I have made detailed video on yellow fever. Check it out. I will drop the link somewhere on the screen or in the description box below. Number 6 goes to swine flu, a human respiratory infection caused by an influenza strain that started in pigs. The state of Gujarat, Rajasthan were affected at the worst. It started on 1st January 2015 and ended by May 2015. By then, thousands of people were affected. Antiviral drugs helped as a treatment along with certain precautions. Number 5 goes to third plague pandemic. It is a major plague pandemic began in Yunnan, China. It spread across continent, affecting more than 12 million people across India and China, were 10 million killed in India alone. As per WHO, it lasted till 1960s. Number 4 goes to smallpox, one of the infectious disease caused by one of the two virus variant that used to be contagious, disfiguring and often deadly. Patients experience a rash that appear first on the face, hands and forearms. It majorly affected India and no treatment or cure existed for smallpox. Later, first successful vaccine was developed by Edward Jenner that saved many lives. Number 3 goes to polio. Throughout the first half of 20th century, polio virus arrived every summer. It has mostly affected India, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Before vaccine was available, polio caused more than 15,000 cases of paralysis a year in the US. It was one of the most feared disease of 20th century. Number 2. Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome or SARS. It was identified in 2003, thought to be an animal virus, perhaps bat, that spread to the cats and first infected humans in China in 2002. It affected 26 countries, resulted more than 8,000 cases in 2003. It includes influenza-like symptoms and supportive treatments are available for the same. Number 1 goes to HIV/AIDS. HIV, the virus that causes AIDS, is one of the world's most serious health and development challenges that affected 38 million people who are currently living with HIV, and 10 million of people have died of AIDS since the epidemic. However, scientists' advances such as development of antiretroviral drugs have enabled people with access to treatment to live long and healthy lives with HIV. So that was all of the top 10 diseases. I hope you find it informative. Do hit that like button, share this video guys, and yes, most important, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, stay tuned for more videos only on Lifeology India. Thanks for watching.